Hi everyone, welcome to ilearnmalay.com. Apa khabar? How are you doing? My name is Zarina. Today we will learn the word awak or alternatively kamu in Malay, which means you are, your or yours. Both awak and kamu, they are the same. If you prefer to use kamu or awak, it doesn't matter, but I personally prefer to use awak instead of kamu. We will start with the word awak, which means you, and for the first example is awak dah makan? Have you eaten? Awak tengok ni. You see this? Cuba awak berdiri. You try to stand up or try to stand up. The next example is for awak, which means you or you are. Awak Adam. You are Adam. Awak Adam. Are you Adam? Awak cantik. You are pretty. Awak pandai. You are smart. Siapa awak? Or you can say, awak siapa? Who are you? Next are examples for awak, which means your. Beg awak. Your bag. Kawan awak. Your friend. Mak or emak awak. Your mom or your mother. Siapakah nama awak? What is your name? Colloquially, normally we leave out kah. I will say, siapa nama awak? What is your name? Next are examples for yours. In Malay, we call it as awak punya. Ini awak punya. This is yours. Awak punya? Is this yours? Or you can just say yours. We have come to the end of the lesson. I hope this will be very useful for you, and don't forget to subscribe, leave me a comment or any questions related to Malay language. Click like and hit that notification bell. Thank you. Terima kasih.